Hey guys, what I have behind me is the 26-foot H2, fully customized for a mom and her son that wants to live off the grid on some family land in Tucson. It has AC units so they can stay cool in Arizona because it's hot here, and has a bed up front, a bed behind, a kitchen, roll-in shower, and it has a wheelchair ramp. So come check it out. Walking around the outside, you'll notice this thing's got some presence, but it's not overwhelming. The box itself is 26 feet, and with the tongue, you're looking at about 30 feet overall. Long enough for comfort, but still manageable if you're new to towing. The exterior height is 132 inches, so you're not sweating low clearances, and with a full 30 inches of ground clearance, you're set for bumpy roads or even uneven driveways. The hitch height weight sits at about 1,390 pounds, which means you get stability up front, but it won't totally overload your tow vehicle. There is a little bit of storage, not too much. We got mostly windows around the whole thing. All right, stepping inside, you instantly feel the difference. The interior height is a full 96 inches. I'm almost 6 feet tall, so you have plenty of headroom. It never feels cramped. The layout is open and easy to move through, which is huge for accessibility. You've got a full-size stationary bed up front for mom and a twin in the back for her son. So everybody's got their own space. The finishes are warm and inviting, and the roll-in shower with a longer porcelain toilet than most trailers really makes everyday living a breeze. It just feels like a home, not a compromise. Now, the guts of the thing. It's built on a wood frame with tandem axles for a smooth ride, and the GVWR is 6,795 pounds. That gives you a payload capacity of 3,605 pounds, so you can haul everything from mobility gear to groceries and not even blink. Power-wise, you got a 200 amp-hour AGM battery, 50 amp shore power, dual 20,000 BTU furnaces, and those two mini split ACs, one in the bedroom and one in the main area. So you're set for both chilly nights and blazing summer days. It's all about keeping things comfortable and reliable no matter where you're parked. Picture this, you're set up full time on a big property, Tucson sun overhead, and you've got the door open, breeze coming through. Maybe you're hosting a tailgate for the big game or just having a quiet night with the family. The accessibility means mom and son can both move around freely, and all that payload means you can bring whatever you need along. It's built for real living, whether it's a weeks at a time or just a weekend escape. So yeah, that's the 26-foot H2. Comfortable, accessible, and honestly just easy to live in, whether you're on the road or setting up a new home base. If you want to see more like this, like or subscribe, or reach out to us, ask for Rodney, because Rodney was behind this one. And we'll catch you on the next one.